So we start with self-practice 6.1C. So shade the region that represent each of the following inequalities. Senang saja. So this is the answer for A, B, and C. D, E, F. Next, question number 2. Draw the graph and shade the region. So this is the answer for A, B, and C. B, E, F. G, H. If you have any question, please ask. Okay, that's all for self-practice 6.1C. Now we proceed to 6.2A. Question number 1. This is the answer. Number 2. And number 3. You can use any letter for green chili and chili padi. Okay, that's all for exercise 6.2A. Any question before you proceed?
No, teacher.
Okay, thank you for your response. Next, we proceed to new subtopic, part 3. Okay, our learning standard for today's lesson. Make and verify the conjecture about the point in the region and solution of linear inequality system. Okay, have a look at this. How do you determine the conjecture about the point? Okay, So have a look at this. Every color represent, this one yellow region is A, purple B, orange C, and D is pink. So the point that satisfy all the linear inequalities in the system of linear inequalities can be determined by identifying the appropriate region. So the above region show the region in a system of linear inequalities. Only one region from region A, B, C, and D satisfy both the linear inequalities x plus 1 less than, x plus y less than or equal 8 and y greater than or equal 3. From A, B, C, D, only one region that satisfy these two. Okay, you can determine the region by substituting. Yes? Ada nak tanya soalan ke?
No, teacher.
Okay. So you can determine the region by substituting at least one point in the region into the system of linear inequalities. So have a look at the solution. Okay. For region A just now, okay, region A, you choose any point. For example, 0.21 and 0.42. Both point berada dalam region A. Okay. So then you substitute the value of x and y into the inequality. So let me show you. Okay, x plus y less than 8. So this is the value of x and this is the value of y. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 less than or equal to 8. Is it true? So true. So right here, true. Then for y greater than 3, y is 1. 1 is greater than 3. Is it true? No, it's false. So write false. So repeat the same method. Substitute the value of x and y into the equation, the inequalities, and then determine whether it's true or false. Then when both true, then the region satisfy these two inequalities. Okay, so as you can see from this table, only region B satisfy or true. So region B satisfy the inequalities. Okay. So have a look at this example. Based on the diagram, determine the region that satisfy the inequalities. So which region? A, B, C, or D? So you need to choose one point for every region. This point is up to you. But make sure the point that you choose berada in the region. So for example, point A here is 4, 2. So this is the point of 4, 2. So nanti when you do your exercise, so maybe you can choose 3, this point, 3, 1, or 2, 2, or 3, 3. Any point. So then substitute the value of x, y and x into the inequalities, and then write true or false. So if you get both true, then that region satisfy both the inequalities y less than or equal 3 over 4x plus 2 and x plus y greater than or equal 7. Boleh tak? Faham tak? Ada soalan?
No, teacher.
Okay, so nanti dalam latihan, you kena buat table macam ni lah. Region apa, and then point ni any point yang berada dalam region tu, and then substitute the values. Kalau ada 2 inequalities, dia ada 2 lah kat sini. Okay. Kalau ada 3 inequalities, you punya table ada tambah lagi lah, tambah 2 lagi, tambah 2 column lagi. Okay. So this is your homework 6.2b. Okay, next, our second learning standard for today's lesson. Determine and shade the region that satisfy a linear inequality system. So ni ini dia punya cara lah. The region that satisfy a system of linear inequalities can be determined by the following step. Okay. For example, this question. So shade the region. If you look at the textbook, ni solution dia. 1, 2, 3. First mark the region blah 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 with letter A, then letter B, and then common region mark both A and B. Okay, you boleh study this method if you want. Tapi cikgu nak tunjukkan cara yang lain. Okay, by using arrow. Okay, for example for A, first determine identify the straight line first. So y equals to x plus 2, this line. X equals to 2, yang dash line ni. Okay. Biasanya dalam exam dia memang dah siap-siap label dekat you. So tak payahlah you nak teka pula, oh this one line for which equation kan. Tapi if dia tak bagi, dia tak label, for example, tengok pun sebenarnya dah tahu dah. Okay, this dash line you dah tahu dah, this is x equals to 2 because this line parallel to the y-axis. Okay, so y less than. So look at the straight line, less than ke bawah kan, below. So buat anak panah macam ni. Draw an arrow like this, and then x less than 2, less than ke kiri kan, so ke kiri. So the answer you shade yang ada dalam anak panah ni. So the answer is this region. Shade sampai bawah lah. Okay, boleh tak? Okay, tengok lagi satu contoh. This one for y equals to negative x. So look at here, greater than mean ke atas. Then y equals to 3, this line, less than means to the left. Sorry. Okay. This line, so to the below. Okay. X greater than 0, y greater than or equal 0. Okay. Ini adalah y equals to 0. Y equals to 0 equals to x-axis. This one you kena ingat. Y equals to 0 equals to x-axis. X equals to 0 equals to y-axis. So this is y equals to 0. Dia tak label, means dia nak you tahu sendirilah, you kena tahu. Okay. So greater than means anak panah ke atas. So you tengok anak panah ni berada kat sini kan. So you shade yang berada dekat anak panah tu. So jawapan dalam buku teks yang ni lah. Yang warna hijau ni. Okay. Tapi kalau you macam tak berapa faham yang I tunjuk tadi yang arrow tu, you boleh study yang dalam buku teks guna letter. A, B, up to you. Okay. Okay, example 11. Oh, sebelum tu ada soalan?
No, teacher.
Okay. Example 11. Yang ni sebenarnya sama sahaja. Tapi ni ada kerja tambahan, draw. Tadi all the straight line given, then you just shade. Now draw and shade. So for example, 2y greater than or equals to x plus y equals to 4 and x greater than or equals 0. So maksudnya ada 3 straight line yang you kena lukis. So yang lukis ni dah belajar dah. Kan, you pun dah tahu nak buat dah. Kalau nak mudah, nak gunakan table ni, you mesti jadikan dia standard form. So 2y equals to x, jadikan dia standard form x over 2. This one, y equals to negative x plus 4. Then baru you guna table ni, baru senang nak kira. Okay. So sini dia dah lukis dah. This is straight line for 2y equals to x. Kena buat solid line because dia ada greater than or equal, ada equal sign kat bawah dia tu. So kena lukis solid line. For x plus y less than 4, dash line. Kalau dalam exam inilah soalannya. You kena lukis sendiri. Okay. So kena lukis dengan betul. Kalau dash line, kena lukis dash line. Kalau you lukis solid line, dah potong satu markah kat situ. Okay. S greater than 0 macam I cakap tadi, if x greater than 0 then this is y axis. Okay, bila you dah lukis semua line, kat sini greater than 0. So greater than ke atas. Lepas tu x plus y less than 4. Less than 4, this is the line, the dash line. Less than 4, so ke bawah. Then y axis greater than, so this is y axis which is x equal to 0. Greater than mean ke kanan. So you shade dekat tempat yang ada anak panah. Okay, so this is the answer. Ini biasanya soalan SPM kertas 2. Kalau dulu SPM yang format lama tu biasanya dia soalan nombor 1. Soalan macam ni, soalan nombor 1 4 markah. Okay, this is your homework 6.2C. Okay, dah habis dah hari ni punya lesson. So any question?
No, teacher.
Okay, kalau tak ada, so you can start doing your homework now and we end our class. Thank you, girl.
Thank you, teacher. Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome.